Okay, this is a 1987 Brigadier GMC semi-truck. I got two of them. Both of them have identical problems. The heater cores were leaking on both of them. Seemed to be in both same place. So I took the heater core out of one of them, and sure enough, it was bad. Had leaks all over the place on it. Heater core comes in right through this hole right here. The pipes come out. Heater core goes inside. So what I did is I assumed that because these things have identical problems, and they only have about 35,000 on them, I think. Because of that, I decided that I'm not going to try to repair what's there because there's probably some type of fundamental problem. So instead, what I'm doing is starting fresh with a new heater core that I customized to fit inside. So the old heater core goes underneath the dash right here. It gets held in by these straps. I took the straps out on this side so we can get this one out. But it should slide out after you clear we got one strap right back there on the, you can kind of, well, I can't really see it, but right back there on the hoses that go outside, there's a strap, a mount, a bracket. So I'm going to take that bracket loose, and then we'll pull the heater core out. Okay, so this is what the heater core looks like when it's out. Oddly enough, in the other one, this particular hose was broke off as well. It goes into this side of the heater core, right there. And obviously it was leaking on this one for a while as well. You can see right here. It's all wet up in here, comes down here. This is the heavy deposits here. But I also had some leaks along this top edge over here on the old one. So I'm assuming that these things were just not put together well. They had a design flaw, whatever. So I came up with a better idea of putting this thing together. And I built one for the other truck. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in here to save time. This is the truck that we're gonna sell. We're probably gonna keep the other truck. But let me go over and show you what I did in the way of this heater core. Okay, so this heater core setup is the exact same. So underneath here, you can see that the air draws in from this side of the box over here, goes underneath and goes up through the flapper, and that's how your heat is controlled right there. So the heater core sits in this little area right here. You can kind of see the outline where it seals in there. So I could not find a heater core that was the exact match. Instead, what I did is I bought an oil cooler, and I mounted it inside the bottom container of the heater box. I just used copper to go outside. And then in order to correct the airflow, I made a baffle that goes in here like this. And then I'll put a gasket along the top here so that the air will come in on this side over here and come up right through here before going into the heater system. So hopefully this is going to work. And if you like it, let me know. And if you don't think it's going to work, leave me a comment.